Welcome back, my followers. I'm your boy JD Knoles, and this is another episode of Knoles Cool Stuff. And today we are going to be unboxing the Oppo Reno. Alright, so stay tuned. Okay, so this is not the box for the Oppo Reno, okay? Nah, this is the free stuff they gave me when I bought the phone here in China. They gave me this, and they gave me this. All right, let's first take a look at this. What's inside? This is inside will be. There you go. You are getting free water bottle, free holder for your moped or your bicycle, and some free pair of earphones. Okay. And that's it. And the other thing they gave free was this Bluetooth speaker. Alright. This is a Mini 2 from a company called Ding Dong. Alright, so yeah, this is from Ding Dong Company, and it's the Mini 2. We'll take a look at that later. I might do a video just for the free stuff. Is free stuff really worth it? Alright, what you're here for is the Oppo Reno phone. Alright, so the Oppo Reno is pretty nice. It's just a clear white box, nothing special. It has a little design on the front. Alright, so let's turn this camera around and let's do the unboxing, because that's why you came here. And this is why you're watching the video. You want to take a look at the phone. Alright, let's turn it around. Alright, so here's the box for the Oppo Reno. Pretty normal, just all white. The little backing right here, a little logo right here for the Oppo Reno. Let's turn it over. As you can tell, I got the 6 gigabytes with 120 gigabytes of storage. And I will surprise you of what color I got. Alright, so let's open this up. So. So let's take a look at the box now without the plastic. Go, Oppo Reno. On the side, Oppo. And that's about it. Alright, so let's do the unboxing. That's what you want to see. This is a very long box compared to some other phones I've seen. Alright, let's take it out. Alright, on top, you have your paperwork. Alright. Paperwork, all paperwork. All right, we'll put that here. We have the phone right here. All right, we're gonna take it out. There goes the phone. Oppo. Take it out. Put it to the side. What else is inside the box? We have a nice case. Alright, we have some earphones, alright, little earbuds. We have our USB to Type-C connector. And we have our charging brick. Alright, and that's everything in the box. Oh, and you have your SIM tool ejector right here. There you go. SIM tool ejector right there. Alright, let's press all this to the side. And take a look at the phone. So this is the phone. The Oppo Reno. Alright, let's see if I can take this out without actually taking it out of the bag. Nope. Okay. And as you can tell, I got this Nubia purple. This purple gradient. Very nice. So if we take a look, it says Oppo, designed by Oppo. You have your camera, main cameras here. Just a little bump here, just for design. Alright. Turn it around. We have our volume rocker. We have our SIM card ejector. All right, we turn to the other side. We have our power button. The bottom. We do have a headphone jack. We have our speakers. Our USB-C connector here. And on top is where the camera will be. All right. Because this phone is very different and it has a mechanical pop-up camera. Let's turn it on. There we go. Oppo, powered by Android. All right. We will look for English and we will do the setup, and we're going to take a quick break and set everything up. All right, so that is the unboxing of the Oppo Reno. And remember, this is not the Oppo Reno 10X, okay? That has not came out to China yet. Hopefully it'll be coming out soon. If you want me to do an unboxing of it, let me know down in the comment. All right, so we did an unboxing, but now we want to know what is inside this phone. Is it worth your money? Let's give all the specs that you need to know about the Oppo Reno. All right, so this is the back, and this is what the front looks like. Right here. All right, so let's get into the phone. Figure out, is it worth your money? The Oppo Reno. I can tell you this, I do love the purple. All right, let's get into the phone. This is the Oppo Reno. The build is Gorilla Glass 6 on the front and the back with a variety of colors from Fog Sea Green, Extreme Night Black, Pink Mist, and my color, the Nebula Purple. Plus, it still has the headphone jack with a Type-C connector. The display has a 6.4-inch AMOLED screen with a 1080 by 2340 pixel with a 402 ppi density, with a under-display fingerprint optical scanner. The Reno will be running Android 9.0 Pie with ColorOS 6 on top with a Snapdragon 710. The Reno comes in a 6 or 8 gigabytes of RAM with a storage space from 128 to 256 gigabytes. The Reno will come with a 3765 milliamp battery with a fast battery charging with the VOOC 3.0. The main cameras is a 48 megapixel camera with a f1.7 aperture with a second camera with a 5 megapixel with a f2.4 for depth sensor. The video can be shot at 2160p at 30 frames per second or at 1080p at 30, 60, or 120 frames per second. The camera also has portrait, night, pano, expert, time-lapse, and slow mode. The main feature of the Reno is the innovative shark fin pop-up camera with a 5 megapixel with a 2.4 aperture depth sensor. When you enter selfie mode, a light shimmers around the top part of the phone to reveal the selfie camera and with the earpiece in the pop-up camera. On the back, the flash is also within the pop-up camera. The Oppo Reno has a cool design with even a cooler shark fin pop-up camera. Is this your great white shark? Is this going to be your next smartphone? That is everything you need to know about the Oppo Reno. And like I said, if you want me to do the Oppo Reno 10X, let me know down in the comment. I'll see if I can get my hands on it. But this was everything you need to know about the Oppo Reno. All right. And as always, my followers, I am your host, JD Knoles. If you like this video, hit the like button. Hit the bell if you want to know more videos coming up. And also hit the subscribe button if you can. I appreciate it. All right, so this was Knoles Cool Stuff. And as always, my followers, be cool.